Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi on Amazon Alexa Echo Pop. This will also work on any other Amazon Alexa. I'm currently just demonstrating on this Echo Pop here. So, how do we do it? The easiest way is use the Amazon Alexa application. So we press that, then we want to select devices here, then you want to choose the Amazon Alexa. You want to change the Wi-Fi on, so I'll choose this Echo Pop here. Then you want to press the settings here, and then you can see change or remove a Wi-Fi network. Select that. Then you want to select join another Wi-Fi network. Now you want to follow the on-screen instructions. This is showing the buttons what to press on the Echo Pop. However, if you have a different Alexa, it will show you the different buttons. And then you want to just follow the on-screen instructions, and then you'll have connected and changed the Wi-Fi on your Amazon Alexa, in this case the Echo Pop. So that's how to reset up your Wi-Fi password. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.